North Carolina.
I'm Alli, and I'm here on the patio outside of Mothlight with Stuart, James, and Daniel of Bombadil, who are returning to Asheville. But this is an interesting tour because you're touring Tar Pits and Canyonlands, which was originally released about 5 years ago. And they didn't get to tour it at that time because Daniel became ill with neural tension. So I was thinking about this. Is it weird to go back and play songs that you originally wrote, or wrote probably more than 5 years ago? And has your relationship, anyone in the band, has your relationship to the songs changed?
No, relationship's the same. I still love the songs, and I'm happy they're constantly finding people that fall in love with the songs and want to hear them also, so they don't get old.
Yeah.
I think that we have 4 records, and any given night we have 50 or so songs that we can choose from. So we're not just playing Tar Pits and Canyonlands every night, you know. So it lets us take a break from one if we're getting tired of it, and then we can come back to it and be excited again.
Strawberries in your hand, we will take your hand. Promise to walk hand in hand, 'cause I cannot stand to be alone. Southern love affair, love is truth or dare, does the warm air.
Do those records for you all feel like a record of the time and frame of mind that you were in when you made them? Or do you see a trajectory from one to the next?
Yes, I see a trajectory from one to the next. I don't know, it's something I can put in words and saying it's a trajectory X, but each record reminds me of the time or place where we were when we recorded it, I suppose.
Yeah. So are you currently working on new material?
We are. We're just about done a new record, hoping to finish recording in the next month or so, and then we'll mix and master, and it'll come out early 2015.
Cape and Kelsey, we will marry you. Cape and Kelsey, we will marry you.
Another thing that I definitely associate you all with is being a North Carolina band. I just wondered if you feel like there's something to that. Is there a North Carolina sound? Do you feel connected to that? Is regionalism important?
That's a really difficult question, I think. I think in particular being from the Triangle, which is kind of the birthplace of a number of North Carolina sounds.
Yeah.
And that merges there, and indie rock of North Carolina kind of came out of that region, but then we also have a lot of bluegrass and folk traditions that seem to be still very important.
Mm-hmm.
But it's hard, I think, when you're in the thick of things to feel like this is something completely specific to a place.
Yeah.
Especially, I think, after just a number of years on the road, where I think a lot of our peers that influence us aren't from North Carolina. They're people we travel with who are from other parts of the country.
Mm-hmm.
But I do think that whenever we mention we're from North Carolina, people elsewhere are excited by that fact and recognize that there is something special happening here musically.
Let's learn what we share. Love